Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Rashad, as you guys may already know, and today we're going to dive into a topic that's always in demand: how to start a YouTube channel in 2024. So if you're ready to embark on this exciting journey, just stick around for 7 essential tips to help you kickstart your channel. But before we jump in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring your notification bell so you never miss out on our future content.
Hey there, I'm Shamaine.
And I'm Rashad.
And we're the Prospers.
So some of you guys have been encouraging Shamaine and I throughout 2023 and expressing your intention to start a YouTube channel for yourselves. But you've been saying that you don't know how to take the leap of faith. The first thing I say, go for it. YouTube is a big enough space for everyone. Plenty YouTube content creators, and starting off now is the best time. Many examples of channels that started off even towards the end of 2023 who have now found a way to making content. So let's dive into YouTube together. Tip number 1, finding your niche. Discovering your niche is the heartbeat of your channel. Think about what genuinely excites you, what you could talk about for hours. Dive deep into your passion and expertise. It could be anything from latest tech trends to whipping up delicious recipes. Finding your niche not only allows you to create content for you that you love, but it also attracts like-minded people that share your enthusiasm. Now let's talk about tip number 2. Planning your content. Consistency is the background of a successful YouTube channel. Creating content calendars not only helps you stay organized, but also gives your audience a relative schedule to look forward to. Tools like Google Calendar or dedicated apps like your calendar on your phone to help you develop a content calendar that allows people to understand how frequently you post. Moving on to tip number 3. Investing in quality equipment. Now when I say quality equipment, I don't mean the best of the best. While you don't need to get the latest high-end gear, good audio and video quality make a significant difference. Start with what you have, a decent camera and a microphone, and consider upgrading gradually as your channel grows. Remember, the content is what is actually key, and the equipment enhances the experience. So don't skip out on content. There are also AI tools that allow you to enhance your audio with other microphones, such as Adobe Podcast AI. We'll talk about that later. Here on our YouTube channel, Shamaine and I use a simple setup: iPhone XS, a tripod, a ring light, and a lav mic that we bought from Amazon, PowerDeWise, link in the description. But our mic is actually plugged into the headphone jack of Shamaine's Samsung Galaxy S8, and that's it. Occasionally we use an iPad from time to time where we attempt to get a second angle to make it look a little juicy, but the simple setup is the best way to start to create your content. So tip number 4, let's talk about choosing the right video editing software. Once you've hit record, you need a powerful tool to polish and enhance your content. There are various options out there, from free to professional grade software. Consider starting with user-friendly options like CapCut if you're on a budget, and as your skills evolve, you might consider exploring more advanced tools like Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, which offer a broader range of features for a more polished editing experience. But the beauty of CapCut is that it has both a mobile and a desktop version for both Windows and Mac, which conserves many of the features and its functionality. So CapCut on my mobile phone is what we use to make most of our shots, while CapCut on the computer serves the purpose of editing longer form video. And considering that it's the same platform, they maintain most of the same functionality between the two. So something you do on the phone, you can also do it using the same software on the computer. Now, let's talk about tip number 5. Optimizing your thumbnails and titles. Your thumbnail and title are your video's first impression. Create eye-catching thumbnails that stand out and titles that spark curiosity. Pay attention to trends in your niche and consider testing different thumbnail designs to see what resonates with your audience. With apps like Photoroom and Canva, it is super easy to begin creating top quality thumbnails with next to zero Photoshop experience. It's as simple as finding a template that you enjoy and then editing it to your liking. Photoroom even makes it easier to remove background from images and use them as part of your thumbnails. That is what Shamaine and I have been using on our channel since the beginning of 2023. So that's something to consider using as well. Tip number 6, engaging with your audience. Building a connection with your viewers is a two-way street. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, create a sense of community. This not only boosts your channel's visibility, but also fosters a loyal and supportive audience that will stick with you on YouTube. Do not underestimate the community tab on your YouTube channel. When Shamaine and I started our channel in 2023, it was something that we felt didn't make much sense. It didn't function like Instagram or Facebook, but soon we learned that the YouTube community tab is to help audiences connect with you on a more personal level. It allows you to post different ideas, different things that may not necessarily be content-worthy material. And last but not least, tip number 7, hit record. It may sound obvious, but taking that first step, pressing that record button, is where the magic begins. Overthinking can be a barrier. Don't worry about perfection. Your early videos may not be flawless, I'll be honest with you, but each one is stepping up towards improvement. Embrace the learning process, hit that record button, and let your creativity flow. Rome was not built in a day, and another cliche is that the journey of 1,000 miles starts with one step. One of the biggest content creators on YouTube, Mr. Beast, in an interview, he said one time that your first 100 videos on YouTube won't even do much, but on your 101 video, you start thinking of new techniques, new ideas, new mechanisms. Too many times content creators, they get caught up in wanting to achieve YouTube partnership and being unable to sustain having such a great audience on a couple 1 or 2 hit videos. So learn to organize your recording and editing and seeing yourself on camera. Listen to other content creators, take notes from what they do, how they say they do it, the way that they organize their shots, and above all else, use that to help you boost your YouTube channel. And there you have it, 7 tips to kickstart your YouTube channel in 2024. Remember, it's not about the numbers initially, it's about creating content you're passionate about. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments which tip resonated with you the most. One thing that I have said to people is that the YouTube space is big enough for all of us. I've seen channels that have started in 2023 that have increased significantly. I've seen channels that have started before that are still struggling. It's just a matter of being genuine with your audience and expressing things that you like to express. In terms of the niche conversation, Charmaine and I don't necessarily have a niche. If you're able to sell yourself and show yourself on YouTube as that product, people will follow you regardless of what you do, because they're interested in the content that you create. So another thing about the YouTube setup is imagine yourself as the product. Your content enhances what that product provides for video, but you are the product that is being sold every single time, video and after. And people are buying into your content, they're buying into you. So it's good to sprinkle a little adventure and sprinkle a little vlog and sprinkle a little cooking, sprinkle a little podcast, sprinkle a little TED Talk video, but ultimately they're coming back for you. Just remember that while setting up your channel in 2024. Until next time, happy creating, and above all else, remember to keep God first in everything that you do.
Hey guys, thank you for viewing our video. We're happy that you've made it to the end. I just want to welcome our new viewers, and if you have not yet subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. For those of you who are subscribed, remember to like, comment, and share. So for those of you who don't know where to start, as I said, you're new, feel free to view one of our videos up there, and hope to see you again. Remember to put God first in everything you do.